Dear friends, today we will discuss how automated batch processing will overtake traditional reconciliation. Now, what do you mean by traditional reconciliation? At present, one bank reconciliation is done at one time. So, I will term it as a traditional reconciliation. Now, what do you mean by automated reconciliation? When we are able to make batch of the banks and reconcile them at one time. Let's say we combine more than one bank, maybe 2, 3, 4, 10, and reconcile them at one time. First, we will see how the app works. If you see the app, they are having bank, cash book, previous reconciliation, process, save file, and exit. So first, as usual, we'll take the bank. We'll choose the bank. Now, if you see that I have 5 banks, and I'll make a reconciliations of 5 banks, and at the same time I have 5 cash books and reconciliations of previous or opening reconciliation. So let's see, this is the bank. I'm selecting 5 banks at one time. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have selected 5 banks. In the same case, I'll be selecting 5 cash books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have selected 5 cash books. Again, I will be selecting 5 main reconciliations of the previous months, or let's say initial reconciliations. Let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'll process it and I'll save it. But before that, let me see whether if I have there's no present reconciliation in the files in the folder. So let's see, I have having this 6 reconciliations branch wise. I'll delete this. Once deleted, then again I will go to the process of my app. I'll process it. Now if you see, it is started processing it, and I'll save the file. Now the benefit of this is it will select a directory where you want to save the all reconciliations, bank reconciliation, and it will save individual, and it will save a one master file also. Let's see how it works. I'll say save it. Okay, I'm selecting that I want all the reconciliation in this folder. Now just I select it, and if you see, I have 5 reconciliation. Okay, 5 bank reconciliation at one shot. Now let's see, if you check it out, see, now here if you see, the reconcile is made, and on only those reconciliations are not the detail numbers are not matching, are staying here. If you see here, if you select another bank, in this bank you see the details is different than the bank before which is selected. But what I have done, I would taken the same unreconciled item for another bank. But the main thing is it is working. If you see, it is working, and at one shot I am having 5 bank reconciliations together. Aside of that, you can have a summary for all the banks which you have worked on. See, this is the bank summary. Now if I take, let's say, one bank, I will select one bank. It will show me the same details which it is showing individual. Now let's say if I say second bank, if I say third bank, so in this case, moving from the traditional way of reconciliation, we have moved to the totally a different module where we are able to select more than one or two or three banks and do a reconciliation at one shot instead of doing individuals. Thank you for listening to me. Hope you'll subscribe my YouTube. Thank you.